stop the song for copyright sake. So this song is from Prince Nico Mbarga, his song called Aki. So the key, we have it G. So he plays mainly on the Fa, Aki, Ebenezer Money. You say we should do this lesson. And one of my friends says, if I do lesson and I do not mention Fidelis Bonye Mbami Samuel Sega, he say he loves that name very much, Samuel Sega. So I'm doing advert for you. So Samuel Sega, you owe me. Somebody has buy your name, has bought the name Samuel Sega. He said if I do a video and I do not mention Samuel Sega, Fidelis Bonye Mbami Bright I miss Waters, he will not even watch my video again. So it has been national anthem. Okay, so let's go. The key is G. This is key G. On the second string, let's come from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 position on the second string. That is, we are using C shape for playing the key G. This is key G, but the shape we are playing is key G. So we have so as D major. That is second, third, fourth string at the 7th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th position. Second, third, fourth. Then this one on the 5th string. That is the 9th position. And the last finger or the 4th finger on the 10th position. That is 6th string. This is so D major. Sometimes we play D7, but we can play D major. So we have the Fa here. Fa is C. This is key C. Second, third, fourth. At the 5th position, the same thing we play, but we move the whole tone. So this was played at the 7th position, but we play this at the 5th position. If I say 5th position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, third, fourth string. Then this on the 5th string, 7th position. This one on the 6th string, 8th position, giving us C major. So these are the chords he used, and this is Do. That is Do, G major. But when he came to the G major here, he didn't play the whole chord. He played, that is Do and Mi. He only played Do and Mi. So he started from So. So let's take it slowly. Again. Second and third. So 1, 2, 3. That is 6th, 5th, 4th in the same chord. Then Do Mi. Here is So Ti Re Ti So. So Ti Re Ti So. Do Mi Fa. The same. Then we you have to add speed so that when the tempo is set very high or low, you can follow. That's the reason why sometimes you see me rehearsing. So that is how we rehearse. So this is the main tempo. So we started from the So, that is D major. Then Do, Fa, Do, So, Do, Fa. been a passing chord. The do has become a passing chord. So when we play, the do has become a passing chord. So so that is the analysis. So do, mi, fa. So it's very difficult to hear this when playing. I even suffered a little bit before getting the notes clear, but breaking it down, it means you have a bonus, a very easy way for you to understand. So we have the D major and C major. Aki, aki, aki. Mama, 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 mama. Who knows tomorrow? Aki, 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 aki. So that is the main chord. So he used this as passing chord. Then he jumped to fa. Then he used that pa. So when he going to, so he used that. Him going to fa. That is do mi on the here. Fifth string, 10th position. That's for the counting. I don't have to waste much time on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's 10th. This is 9. 10th on the fifth string. 9th on the 4th string. Then we go to fa. That's C major here. So that's the taking. Chord progression. I'm sure the solo side is not anything difficult. We will go back to that one soon. So, but my friend Ebenezer Bonnie, you requested this song, and I bet you two requested that I should do it on my YouTube channel, and I would still post it on the Facebook. So maybe if you didn't get the live video, you will follow this one to learn. So the key is G. So we play fa and so fa, so fa. So that is the Aki from Prince Nico Mbarga, the sweet mother man. That is his new song. So let me send my shout out to you all. As I'm sending a shout out, one of my friends says, if I do a video and I do not mention Samuel Sega, in bad Fidelis Borja, right? I mean, Sawatas, Sabini Augustus, he will not watch my videos again, because I've been using these names ever since I created this channel. So he has been used to these names, and he really loved the names. So the names is one of the factors that makes him watch the video. So let me send a shout out to you, Samuel Sega. You pay me. If Fidelis Borja, you pay me. Mbami, you pay me. But I mean, what else? All these names that I do mention, I've made your name hit. So Samuel Sega, Mbami, Fidelis Borja, Bright Time is what else? YOG. You are all welcome. I'm sure you do watch and following as well. So thank you for making me your number one teacher here, your number one friend, your number one. I'm even student to some people. So anyhow you call me, your friend, your brother, your teacher, your assistant, any name that you give it to me, I will appreciate. Thank you very much. So my friend, I've done your request for you because you say I should mention the names, and I've mentioned the names. So you too, you owe me for doing this advert for you, Samuel Sega. Okay. Stay cool. Bye bye.